सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया। बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। इट वाज माय फर्स्ट डे टुडे, तो एक्सपीरियंस हैव बीन क्वाइट गुड। द सीनिक ब्यूटी, इट्स रियली इनक्रेडिबल।
स्टार्टिंग में तो हर किसी के माइंड में आएगी कि कश्मीर इज नॉट सेफ, बट नाउ कश्मीर इज वेरी सेफ आफ्टर बीजेपी.
We're outside the famous Mughal garden, the Nishad garden here on the banks of Dal Lake, and I can hardly put my foot down because there is a massive tourist rush here. According to the government, around 10 lakh tourists have visited the Kashmir Valley this year, and obviously what you're seeing right now is a testimony to that particular fact. I have not seen this kind of rush in or around Dal Lake for years and years now. This obviously tells you that there definitely is massive tourist footfall as far as Kashmir Valley is concerned, and we have been saying time and again that it is peace that is prerequisite for any such activity. Tourism is directly related with peace, with normalcy, and the dividends of peace, the fruits of peace and normalcy that has prevailed upon Kashmir Valley from the last many years. This exactly are the fruits of normalcy. Ma'am, आप कहाँ से?
हम लोग एमपी मध्य प्रदेश।
तो कब आए आप यहाँ?
हम लोग 24 को आ गए थे, सब तरफ घूम कर आए। गुलमर्ग, सोनमर्ग, पहलगाम, आज श्रीनगर है।
तो कितनी गर्मी है आपके एरिया में?
हमारे एरिया में तो बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी, बहुत। मतलब यहाँ हम लोग रिलैक्स होने आए, चिल होने आए।
तो कैसा हो रहा है चिल? कैसे टेम्परेचर्स हैं, कैसी जगह है?
उतना तो नहीं लगा चिल जितना हम सोच कर आए थे, बट फिर भी बहुत अच्छा लगा वेदर।
कहाँ कहाँ घूम के आ गए आप?
हम लोग पहलगाम, सोनमर्ग, गुलमर्ग सब तरफ होकर आए, आज श्रीनगर है लास्ट।
तो क्या डिफरेंस है मध्य प्रदेश और कश्मीर में?
बहुत सुंदर है कश्मीर, नेचुरल ब्यूटी बहुत है।
तो क्या सबसे अच्छा लगा आपको? कहाँ जहाँ जहाँ आप घूमे?
सोनमर्ग में सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया, स्नो में फोटोज आए बहुत अच्छे अच्छे।
स्नो देखने आए थे?
हाँ, स्नो देखने आए थे।
आप बताइए।
सब जगह अपनी अपनी तरीके से सुंदर है। सोनमर्ग वाज बेस्ट।
कहाँ कहाँ गए आप?
पहलगाम, सोनमर्ग, गुलमर्ग।
जब आपने प्लान किया था, ट्रिप कब किया था प्लान?
हमने एक वीक पहले ही प्लान किया था। वी केम ऑन 24th, उसके एक वीक।
तो कहीं ये बात आई दिमाग में कश्मीर है, हालात ठीक नहीं रहते थे, जो प्रोजेक्शन थी एक कश्मीर की, कहीं सोचा था आपने?
आया था, बट वी हैव बीन टू कश्मीर वंस अर्लियर, तो इसीलिए हमको थोड़ा सेफ लगा आना।
तो क्या जब यहाँ आप आए तो वो सब चीजें हट गई अब दिमाग से जो वो चलता?
नहीं, नॉट कम्प्लीटली।
व्हाई नॉट कम्प्लीटली?
आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ द रूमर्स और वट एवर।
क्या रूमर सुने आप?
इट्स अ लिटिल अनसेफ। एक्चुअली हमारे आने से 2 दिन पहले अनंतनाग में कुछ शूटिंग हुई थी, तो उस वजह से हम थोड़ा स्केप्टिकल थे, बट देन इट वाज प्लान्ड, तो वी केम।
Once you came here, did you find anything amiss? लोग कैसे हैं?
सिक्योरिटी, आई थिंक देयर आर ऑफिसर्स एवरीवेयर, तो इट्स प्रीटी सेफ।
Pretty safe. And what about the people? About the hospitality, you connected with the people. How did you find them?
दे आर रियली स्वीट एंड हेल्पफुल।
What about you?
लोग अच्छे हैं, बढ़िया है कश्मीर। हमको मजा आया बहुत घूमने में।
आप बताइए।
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। इट वाज माय फर्स्ट डे टुडे, तो एक्सपीरियंस हैव बीन क्वाइट गुड। द सीनिक ब्यूटी, इट्स रियली इनक्रेडिबल। अच्छा।
So अभी तक what's the best thing you found about Kashmir? Also, though you have been here for a very short while, but what is the best thing?
The best thing that I found is basically the scenic beauty, the gardens, the greenery, the flora, fauna. It's all amazing. It's pretty.
And you from?
I'm from Delhi, New Delhi.
Delhi. Temperatures are breaking all records.
It's very warm there, and coming here, it feels really relaxing and cool. So it's much better. The temperature.
So where are you planning to go from here on?
So for now we'll be staying in Srinagar, then we'll go to Sonmarg, Gulmarg and Pahalgam, and then we'll go back to Delhi.
So as far as the notion about Kashmir, the projection, obviously it has been in news for all the wrong reasons. But when you came here, how did you find things? Security, otherwise?
It's all very secure. I think those projections are not like so accurate. It's all very secure. It's safe. It's nice. Yeah.
Ma'am, you're from?
I'm from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, so how is the weather there?
It's hot. It's mostly summers over there.
So what will be the temperatures like?
It'll be around 28 to 30 right now. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a
So-
very humid city.
Humid city. So what about Kashmir? How do you like Kashmir?
Kashmir is beautiful. I love the scene over here. I mean, it's so serendipity. Yeah.
So when you came this side, did you ever think that there will be so many tourists here?
No, I didn't expect this here. I mean, and this time it's very surprising that there are so many tourists. And yeah, there are too many people from Delhi, Rajasthan, Vizag as well, Andhra Pradesh.
So whenever you heard about Kashmir, what would cross your mind, say, a few years back?
Terrorism. Yeah, terrorism would cross my mind. It was like an unsafe city to visit. But right now I see there's been a lot of changes. It's too safe, and I think everybody should visit Kashmir definitely.
This is your first trip?
Yes, this is my first.
Where all you have been, places that you visited till now?
I've been to Sonmarg and Dudh Patri currently, and we're going to Pahalgam tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, and then Gulmarg and the other cities.
How about the security situation, the people? Did you connect with them? How do you find them?
I haven't connected with the localites apart from our driver and our tour guide. Yeah. Otherwise, people are actually very good here, and the stay is very pleasant. Yes.
Right.
And I've come here with my family, my mom and my dad.
Your name?
Monishka Jain,
And you're from?
Delhi.
So, how do you like Kashmir?
It was very amazing place. We love it. We are come from 16 members from our family.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, when did you plan this? Was it to run away from Delhi heat?
Yeah, we are planning from last 3 months.
3 weeks.
That we have 3 months. Like we have to go Kashmir. We book all the flights and hotels and all the bookings.
Right. And how about the rush of tourists? Did you expect so many people here?
I didn't expect, but yeah, जो गर्मी हमारी दिल्ली में है उसको बचाने के लिए तो कश्मीर इज द बेस्ट प्लेस टू एस्केप.
So, you're with family. कहाँ गए अभी तक?
अभी हम पहलगाम गए, पहलगाम और गुरेज वैली, सोनमर्ग, गुलमर्ग.
अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब हमें गुरेज वैली बहुत सुंदर लगा, बहुत ज़्यादा, कि जो भी टूरिस्ट है उन्हें गुरेज वैली तो ज़रूर ही आना चाहिए. बहुत ही सुंदर, मतलब हमें मज़ा ही वहीं आया कि वहाँ पे इतनी पीसफुल जगह है कि हम अपना फैमिली टाइम भी स्पेंड कर पाए वहाँ पर. एंड
तो जो आप सोचते थे यहाँ के बारे में, जो सुनते थे हालात, और जब भी कश्मीर सोचते थे, ये चीज़ आई दिमाग में कि यहाँ हालात कैसे होंगे, या फिर
स्टार्टिंग में तो हर किसी के माइंड में आएगी कि कश्मीर इज नॉट सेफ, बट नाउ कश्मीर इज वेरी सेफ आफ्टर बीजेपी. तो जैसे ही हमने देखा कि कश्मीर में इतनी ज़्यादा मतलब फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड हो गई है, सारे इनोवेशंस हो चुकी हैं, एंड कश्मीर रहने के लिए, घूमने के लिए बेस्ट प्लेस है.
कश्मीर बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है. खास करके कश्मीर की खूबसूरती से ज़्यादा कश्मीर के लोग हैं. दे आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीपल फ्रॉम हार्ट. दे आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीपल फ्रॉम हार्ट, वेरी हेल्पफुल, एंड दे डिजर्व ऑल द हैप्पीनेस इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड.
the places that you have visited till now, you found them safe? Anything that you would like to mention on that?
Everything is very good over here. Gulmarg, Sonmarg, Dudh Patri, Pahalgam. This is the only place in the whole world where you get everything under one banner. You get lakes, you get snowfall, you get all good gardens under one banner. So even 10 to 15 days is very less over here.
Did you expect so many tourists here?
Yes, I am coming for the 10th time
Okay.
in my life. So I am very happy.
So previously, when did you come?
I came a year back.
Year back. And when you used to come 5-6 years back, the situation was different.
Yes.
So how have things changed since?
Tourism has changed a lot over here. People, when I see today, people are getting more employment over here. The scale has been different now, and it's very good now. The tourism has spread. Many people now prefer Kashmir in spite of going abroad. In previous time, people used to go to other countries in summertime and all. Nowadays, everyone are coming to Kashmir and should come once in their lifetime.
So there you go. Tourists saying that they're feeling absolutely safe here. Yes. A lot of things about Kashmir that have been said. It has been in the news for all the wrong reasons for years and years now. But from the last many years, peace has prevailed, and since we know that peace is very important for activities like tourism, for business like tourism, and for sectors which are basically related to hospitality, peace is very, very important. And since peace has remained in the valley from the last many years, so now tourism has also picked up. Now government has been time and again trying to project this peace, this tourism as the biggest indicator of the Naya Kashmir, how Kashmir has changed since Article 370 abrogation, how the security situation has improved, and that obviously has led to a situation where people are now feeling safe whenever they are planning Kashmir. Everything else has gone into the back burner, and they're only planning a trip where they'll enjoy, they'll come to Kashmir, visit its scenic places, and make memories for a lifetime. The camp person Tariq Loan, Mir Farid, Dal Lake for India Today.